A Google Cloud certification is an industry-recognized certification that demonstrates your expertise in designing, developing, managing, and administering applications and infrastructure on Google Cloud. However, the certification exam is challenging and requires extensive knowledge and preparation. Some students might find it difficult to pass on the first try, while others might find it simple. Let's explore 5 strategies to help you pass your Google Cloud certification exam on the first try. First, develop a study plan. A study plan will help you stay on track and ensure that you cover all the topics that will be covered on the exam. Next, utilize Google Cloud training resources. Google Cloud Training offers a variety of resources that can help you prepare for your Google Cloud certification exam. These resources include online courses, instructor-led training, and practice exams. Then, review case studies and white papers. Case studies and white papers are excellent resources to help you prepare for your Google Cloud certification exam. They provide real-world examples of how Google Cloud technologies are used in different industries and scenarios. It's also important to take practice exams. These exams are designed to simulate the actual exam experience and can help you identify areas where you need to improve. Finally, join study groups or find a study buddy. Working with others can provide you with different perspectives and help you identify areas where you need to improve. It can also help you stay motivated and on track with your study plan.